Welcome to another video, guys, and today we are checking out a 1971 Ford Bronco, recently restored. The exterior is red, black interior, transmission unknown, drivetrain is also unknown, transmission not unknown, just red rung. It's a manual, of course. Let me see how much it has, like horsepower. Couldn't say at the top, and does not say. Beautiful. Cool. Doesn't say, but I wanted to film this for a long time. Haven't been able to because I couldn't get a good angle and a bunch of other reasons. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. My name is Alex, and let's get on to it.
The Bronco. Very colorful. I like it a lot. It's very unique. You got a wrench, so like a tow cable in case to tow another car out or yourself to somewhere. We got some hitches. Got the flame of fire all around. We got the blue outline, which I think is very unique. Bronco. Here is the wheels. Pretty cool. And then here is the back. Got another tow wrench thing. Not wrench, but like something. And then here's the back with the tire. Let's get on in.
What we usually do in these videos, I also review how comfortable it is and everything. So, haha, I'm small. When I mean I'm small, I'm actually small. All right, we are in. It does have a roll cage in it, but what the flip? Oh. I was like, what's hitting my back? It has racing bucket seats, like performance and everything, so that's cool. It's Corbu seats. Here are the side mirrors, and then you got this rolls your windows. Don't know what that is. Well, I know what it is, just not coming off the top of my head. Here's the steering wheel. Oh, I like this a lot. I really do. RPM shows your how much you're pulling out. I guess this is your blinker. I don't know. I don't remember, but this is how fast you're going, how many miles. You got your clutch, accelerator, or brake accelerator. I don't know why I call that the accelerator. I called that twice to two cars. One of them was like a newer car. I was just excited. Still excited. Got some little cobwebs right over there, but it's alright. But we got the lights. And then we got the emergency. You got your throttle on and off, lights, your water, I guess. Then you got your power, pull 4, fan, high, low, and then you got your temperature right there. This does something. I guess this is like for your front. You got a radio, so it's one of those right here. Pull up to your mouth. It's like one of the police things. Stick shift right here. Pretty cool. Don't know what these do, honestly. Let's see. JB, I don't want to read it. It's something. And then got more stuff right there. Airlock, compressor. Got a glove compartment. You have a lot of room. I really like these kind of like steering wheels. It's like those like rally steering wheels, so I think that's cool. Got a little handle right here. So right here is where you press. It's a hard one to press, but you press it this way, and it's open the door. I'm so bad at explaining right now. Here are the keys. Here's the cup holders too. And pretty cool. This opens this. I'm not gonna touch anything because I don't want to mess up anything. But here are the seats. Pretty cool. Here is the speakers all the way up here, lights. Got your handle, which is pretty nice. Here's the seats back there. Put your kids, adults, someone back there. And you can take the top off, and then yeah, I really like this a lot. Comfortable set ratings. Let's put this on, actually, so we get the full feel. I look small compared to this. Okay, I'm not gonna actually pull it in because I'm small, but I'm like 5'6", 5'7". I like this. I like this. I'd give it an 8. I'd give it an 8. 8.2. How about that, since we get more specific? Yeah, I like this a lot. Car rating, I'd give it a 9. Or actually, no, I'd probably give it an 8. There's gonna be a lot of cars I'd give it like 8s. And yeah, let's unbuckle, and then let's get down. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Today was a weird one. Actually, not weird. This is a unique one. I like it a lot. If y'all love Broncos, this is the perfect video for you. Y'all should go check out my other channels, which are The Crew, which is my vlog channel. The Crew Plays, which is the Minecraft channel, and The Crew Games, which is my other gaming channel. But go check out RPM Garage, please. They are awesome, and I thank them a lot for letting me review their cars. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell, and have a blessed day.